An important question often asked by drivers is, can my car insurance company drop my coverage? And the answer is yes, but only under certain conditions. So generally speaking, a carrier will only cancel an insurance policy after the agreed term. So if you have a 6-month policy, then carriers will almost always maintain coverage for that duration. However, during your term, if you are involved in multiple collisions, then your carrier may decide to not renew your policy at the end of your term. Now, in extreme cases, your carrier may cancel coverage abruptly, and this generally results from multiple DUI charges or maybe improper information on your insurance policy form. But in either case, the insurance company will tell you that your coverage has been dropped or that your plan will not be renewed. So to prevent being left without auto insurance, make sure that you speak to your insurance agent, somebody that you trust, and they can help you find a policy from a reputable carrier that meets all of your needs.